Hello students, last time we discussed the quartile deviations and coefficient of quartile deviation of ungrouped data and a discrete frequency distribution. Today we will discuss the quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation of continuous frequency distribution. So let's start. The continuous frequency distributions is given, and with the help of continuous frequency distribution, first we have to find the quartile deviations, quartiles Q3 and Q1. So to find the quartile, first we find the CFI. We have to find the CFI. +54 plus 100, 54 plus 100, 154, 154 plus 140, 294, 294 plus 300, 594, 594 plus 230, 824, 824 plus 125 to 949, and 949 plus 51, that's 1000. So now see the cumulative frequency, then frequency, Fi and the class. So first to find the quartile, we first find the quartile class, and with the help of quartile class and the cumulative frequency, with the help of cumulative frequency and the frequency of class, we find the value of quartiles. So first we will start Q1. Q1 is equal to the quartile class. Q1 class is equal to value of n by 4th observation, n by 4th observation. So n is equal to 1000. So 1000 divided by 4 is equal to 250. 215th observations, value of n by 4 observation. So now seeing in CFI, the 250 are lying at the third class, 70 to 90. So we can say the Q1 class is equal to 70 to 90. Now we find the value of Q1 and the first quartile. So we know the value formula of Q1 is equal to L plus n by 4 minus CF divided by F into C. L is equal to lower boundary point. Here is the exclusive class. So the lower limit is the lower boundary point of the class. Lower limit and lower boundary point both are same in exclusive class. Suppose the class is inclusive, so we have to find the lower boundary point. Keep in mind, यहाँ पे means sometimes students make mistakes to write the lower boundary point and lower limit. So be careful. L is equal to not a lower limit, but it's a lower boundary point, and the lower boundary point is 70 plus n by 4. So we have the value n by 4 is equal to 250 minus cumulative frequency of preceding the quartile class, यानी कि Q1 class 154 divided by F, frequency of the class 140 into the class length is 20. Now 20 तो 27 जा plus 250 minus 154, 250 minus 150 कर लो तो 100, और 100 में से 4 माइनस कर लो तो 96 डिवाइड बाय 7. तो मीन्स टेबल मीन्स हमें अच्छे से पता होना चाहिए कि मीन्स टोटल आंसर आ रहा है। डिवाइड बाय 7 1 is 7 2 6 7 3 is 21 5 then 0 fraction 7 7 is 49 1 0 1 it means around 13.71 okay so 13.71 so 70 plus 13 83.71 that's a q1 का आंसर हमारा क्या है 83.71 now we have the value of q1 now we find the into 20 sorry 20 कर दूंगा okay now q3 तो सेम वे q3 क्लास में फाइंड करेंगे तो q3 क्लास फाइंड करने के लिए वैल्यू ऑफ 3 into bracket n by 4th observation n by 4th observation so the value of 3 into n by 4 n is equal to 100 n is equal to 1000 by 4 we have the value n by 4 is equal to 250 so directly consider 250th observation and 715th observation so seeing in CFI the 750 lies at the class 110 to 130 that's why we can say the q3 class is equal to 110 to 130 that is the q3 class now to find the value of quartiles q3 is equal to l plus n by 4 minus cf divided by f into c on 3 so lower boundary point 110 plus 3 into bracket n by 4 so 3 into n by 4 we know value as 750 minus CFI cumulative frequency of the preceding class 594 to 594 divided by f frequency of the class is 230 into class length is equal to 20 ये 0 0 कट कर दो 110 plus 750 minus 594 750 minus 954 see तो ये दोनों में डिफरेंस आ रहा है 750 कर दो ये 600 कंसीडर करेंगे तो 750 और 600 का आंसर मींस हमें पता है कि 7 और 650 का आंसर कितना होना है ये 600 का 150 प्लस 6 तो 156 into 2 divided by 23 so 110 कैसे अप्लाई करो 156 into 2 divided by 23 so their answer will be 13.56 57 13.5652 around so 110 plus 13.56 so 123.56 that's a q3 now we have both the values now we can find the quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation so we'll apply the formula of quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation see the q1 is equal to 83.71 and q3 is equal to 123.56 so now let's see the formula of quartile deviation is equal to q3 minus q1 divided by 2 so q3 is equal to 123.56 minus 83.71 divided by 2 so 123.56 minus 83.71 so difference is 39.86 divided by 2 so 1938 to 19.93 that's the quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation is equal to q3 minus q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. So Q3 minus Q1, we have a Q3 minus Q1 is 39.123.56 minus 83.71 divided by 123.56 plus 83.71. Now the subtract we have the value 39.86. So 39.86 divided by 123.83. The answer is 207.28. Now 39.86 divided by 207.0.191923. So the coefficient of quartile elevation is 0.1923. So that's a very simple coefficient of quartile deviation of a continuous frequency distribution. Now we'll see the another measures, that is called mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation in our next lecture. So do the maximum practice of the quartile deviation of all the types, discrete or continuous or ungrouped data. So we will complete our sessions here and we'll see the next point in our next lecture. Thank you very much.